In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can replace a logo inside an After Effects template. Let's dive in. All right, so as you can see, we're inside Adobe After Effects, and the first way I'm going to show you how to replace the logo is by replacing it directly inside the project. So if you navigate to the project panel, if you don't see this, you can go up to Window Project, navigate to your logo that you want to replace. You can right click on it and go to Replace Footage File. Then inside the Finder window, you can click on the logo that you want to replace it with, and then click Open. This will update the logo and replace the file inside your project. Now, the one thing you'll notice, and you'll probably see it on your template as well, is that you might have to make adjustments to the logo size. So as you can see, my new logo here is quite small. I'm going to have to go into the scale property. So I'm going to have to click S on my keyboard and then just scale this up a little bit. Depending on your own template, you might have to scale it down or up, depending how large the logo difference is in the files. Now, if we go back to our original template, one other way you can replace a logo inside After Effects, let's say if you didn't actually want to outright replace this logo file inside the After Effects project itself, what you can do is import the logo separately. So for example, I'm going to import this logo by going up to File, Import File, navigate to my logo and click Open. And now with the logo selected, what we can do is select the logo in our timeline and then go back up to our logo inside the project panel, hold down Option on a Mac, Alt on a PC, and then click and drag it to your timeline. Release your mouse and then release the key on your keyboard, and you'll notice that the logo updates with the new file. This is a good way to really replace any type of layer inside your After Effects timeline is by doing that. So if you have photos, if you have video clips, animations, or even compositions, you can replace the different layers by doing that trick inside After Effects. I also did want to mention, if you want to download this template, it is available on my Patreon page, so feel free to go grab that. If you're not a patron, you can join. There's a lot of assets and templates on there that I use on a daily basis as a video editor. Feel free to go check it out. I hope this video was helpful if you're looking to see how to replace a logo inside an After Effects template. That does it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.